welcome back to Life Disney and Beyond. We are here at Disneyland at the Tropical Hideaway, more specifically. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with what's going on at Disneyland.
Yes, we are so excited because this was a little food hack we stumbled across yesterday. We were with our friend Adam the Woo, and we were just eating our food and tasting some things and some combinations, and we literally looked at each other and said, this is something you must have at Disneyland. This is the most delicious, incredibly amazing treat we've ever had at Disneyland.
Oh, you're gonna be loving this.
Oh, you are gonna love it. You double cheese fatties, you're gonna have to hang on to your pants because
you really are.
Woo, is it amazing. So we're gonna walk you through, we're gonna show you what to get, where to go, how
to construct it.
We're gonna perfect it here today. And I think you guys are really gonna like it. So, if you're ready, let's go. All right, so when you come into the Tropical Hideaway, you're gonna wanna get into this line right here where you can order your loaded Dole Whip. So we suggest ordering this with the loaded Dole Whip because it comes in a bigger tray, and you're gonna wanna ask for a bigger one so that you can construct this masterpiece. The loaded Dole Whip we recommend is the orange pineapple swirl whip. It comes with exotic fruit and crystallized hibiscus. We ask for the crystallized hibiscus on the side. You totally don't need to do that because we like to sprinkle it on at the end. And the next thing you're gonna wanna do is come right over to this hot food stand and get yourself an order of the sweet lumpia. Right there, look at the cinnamon deliciousness. And then when they give you your order, you get a side of that dipping sauce, which is key ingredient here. And then ask for an extra tray.
Okay.
And the first thing we're gonna do, after you ordered your lumpia, is you're gonna place your lumpia inside.
All right.
Okay.
We're building.
We're building, we're building.
Okay.
Then you're going to, then you're going to take your Dole Whip.
Yep.
And you're going to place it on top.
Whoa, careful. Takes a steady hand.
It does, a steady hand and a very honest mind. All right, I messed this Pocky up, but that's fine. Okay, make sure your spoon doesn't get stuck like so.
Good enough.
Okay, that's good enough. Then you're gonna pour your fruit. I think what we'll do.
Oh, you got the fruit on the side too.
No, it comes like that.
Oh, it comes like that, okay.
Yeah, it's loaded.
All right.
It's all, so we're gonna.
I see what you're doing there,
So you can see our lumpia on the side.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put some right there. We're even gonna put some right on top like so.
It's like a Dole Whip Lumpia Sundae. This is crazy.
I mean, it is. It's our Dole Whip Lumpia Sundae. Something you definitely want to try. All right, now we're going to put some of the crystallized hibiscus on top. Oh.
Sprinkling evenly, very nice.
Okay, and then the lumpia sauce.
Okay.
We're gonna drizzle that on top.
Oh, drizzle drazzle.
Just like so.
Oh boy.
And that, my friends, is by far the best, most delicious food hack you will ever have. So, I even got a knife to cut the lumpia.
Oh, good idea.
So we'll cut some from right here. And then...
enjoy. Is that really good? Okay, I gotta try.
This is an everything bite.
I require everything bite.
Everything bite. Oh my goodness.
That's pretty darn good. That combines everything good that is at the Tropical Hideaway, like in the best way. You get the crunchy, the sweet, the sour, kind of tart.
Yep.
It's got everything. So
and
good.
The cream cheese that's inside of this, with the pineapple buttery sauce on top, it's just like, it is like a hot fudge sundae on steroids, except it's not with hot fudge. It's like a tropical sundae. That is so good.
I need another bite. This is way too good. Wow.
It is incredible.
Highly, highly recommend this.
They have been raving about it ever since they got there.
So for a price on what this costs, you don't get an annual pass holder discount here at the Tropical Hideaway, but the loaded whip is $7.99. The sweet lumpia is $6.99, so it comes to $16.14, and you can share this easily with 4 people if you wanted to. We're just double cheese fatties, and us 2 will finish it. So You gotta think of it that way.
Well, that was amazing. Better than I thought it was going to be, to be honest with you.
It was better than yesterday.
It really was, because it was constructed properly. So we hope you guys do that. And let us know in the comments if you were successful.
Yes, if you loved it.
Yeah.
And after you're done with your delicious Dole Whip sundae,
Yep.
we highly recommend going to visit next door our birdie friends in the tiki room.
Yeah, you can just take this little ramp that's right next to the Tropical Hideaway, and you can walk right over to the entrance of the tiki room. And it's kind of a cool little path over here, and a lot of people don't know that this connects like this. It was a new addition when the Hideaway came, and look, boom, and we are now in the tiki room queue out here.
I am Tangaroa, father of all gods and goddesses.
I am Katie, goddess of Disneyland food hacks, for I bring you the tastiest combinations in the happiest place on earth.
Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
Time for the show.
We got our full tummy, and now we're gonna watch the show.
My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people.